It's just past 10 GMT. We begin this news hour with the sentencing of Pakistan's former Prime Minister Imran Khan to 3 years in prison. The court handed down its ruling in his absence for illegally selling state gifts. Khan has now been arrested in the city of Lahore. Legal experts say the conviction may end Khan's chances of running in elections due later this year. Let's bring in our Pakistan correspondent, Kamal Hyder. He is joining us live from Islamabad, and this is a big blow to Imran Khan, who's been bogged down by legal cases, hasn't he, Kamal? What did the court have to say?
Well, indeed, it is a big blow to Imran Khan and, of course, his party, which is still one of the most popular parties within the country. I'm outside the district court, which passed that sentence at about noon, which is 7 GMT. Within 30 minutes, a 30-page document was released. A police team was already present in Lahore that surrounded his house and took him and made the arrest in Lahore at Zaman Park. Now, it should be noted that his legal team says that the police did not have a court order. Senior lawyers within the country believe that there are many shortcomings in this case and that within the next 2 to 3 days he may be released. But it will be important to see whether that does happen because the government has already initiated over 150 cases against the former Prime Minister. They've arrested all his leadership. Some of his leadership under pressure has switched allegiance, and thousands of his workers are also still in jail, some of them being tried by military courts. So indeed, a dramatic development from the Islamabad district court situated behind me.
Absolutely, Kamal. It's not the first time Khan has been taken in by authorities and later released because courts have said that that wasn't legal. And any time there is any action taken against Imran Khan, there is a huge reaction, given that he is one of the country's most popular politicians. How are people there reacting?
Well, Imran Khan had already recorded a statement and said he knew that he was going to be arrested. He said, by the time you see this message, I will already be in jail. It is up to you now not to remain silent. However, it must be understood that when he was arrested last time on the 9th of May, his supporters came out. There were violent scenes. The government said that this was basically acts of terrorism because certain military installations were overrun. And that, of course, led to serious charges being brought against him as well on the 9th of May. However, thousands of his people were arrested. Some of them are being tried in military courts. So it is going to be difficult to see whether there will be a strong reaction or not. I think we'll have to wait and see. So far, just a few dozen of his supporters and lawyers gathered outside his residence shouting slogans. We are monitoring the situation, but at the moment, we do not expect a major reaction because the authorities are also ready to arrest more people if necessary and say that they will come down hard on anybody coming out to protest.
All right, Kamal, thank you very much for that. That's our Pakistan correspondent, Kamal Hyder, joining us live from the capital, Islamabad. Well, let's get more on this now. We're joined by Khalid Yousaf Chaudry. He is Imran Khan's lawyer, and he's also joining us live from Islamabad. Thank you very much for your time. Firstly, what is your reaction to the court sentencing? Mr. Chaudry, can you hear me? It's Elizabeth Puranam, the presenter here in Doha. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so
today the trial.
Yes, please continue.
Today, trial court of Islamabad has been sentenced Imran Khan for 3 years simple imprisonment and 100,000 fine. With 100,000 fine. In this case, I want to tell you that in this case, the right of fair trial did not awarded to the Imran Khan. Imran Khan many times approached the Islamabad, the appellate court, as Islamabad High Court, to get the right of fair trial, but the trial court did not award the defense right. He struck down our right of defense, and we submit our defense before the trial court that we want to produce some witness and some evidence in this case, which will support our defense. But the trial court very injudicial, with a very non-judicial manner rejected, and we again and again approached the appellate court to get the opportunity to right of fair trial. Many times we submitted more than 9 appeals petitions before the appellate Islamabad court, but they were again and again remanded back this case to trial judge, same trial judge, to adjudicate, and on which the trial judge, Mr. Humayun Galabar, additional session judge Islamabad.
Okay, this is
on this trial judge, we submit thrice time, no confidence that the trial judge is a biased person, and we should remove, and the case should change from this to any other judicial officer.
Okay, so it certainly sounds like very complicated proceedings, and of course this is just one of around 150 cases against Imran Khan. What is going to happen to Mr. Khan now? We understand that he's been taken from his home in Lahore. Where has he been taken to, and what's happening to him?
I want to correct the figure of the cases. The cases now reach the limit of the 182 cases, criminal cases registered against Imran Khan in last this year. We are approached every court in every city, in every province, Punjab, Islamabad, and Balochistan, to get the redressal of these criminal cases, and the courts gave us the relief because all cases were the fake, bogus, and the role of the Imran Khan, the implication of the Imran Khan, many times, many courts has been rejected the implication of the Imran Khan in criminal cases.
All right, that is Imran Khan's lawyer, Khalid Yousaf Chaudry, joining us live from Islamabad. We thank you very much for your time and apologise to the viewers because the sound quality on that interview is not great, but thank you very much for your time.